Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can export and import text to Cricut Design Space as SVG files. So how you can upload your design with text in Cricut Design Space and the text still showing up in the final. So here I am in the second tutorial with the Affinity Design. So I open up a new project or a new file, Untitled. So now we're just gonna, for this purpose, for this video, I'm gonna just put a text and the shape, because the shapes always show up. So I'm gonna put a shape in the middle, and then I'm gonna put some text, and the text will say text tooth because I like tooth. Okay, so we're gonna upscale the text, and we no, and I'm gonna put the text overlapping with the round rectangle. So I'm gonna make the rectangle another color so we can see, and this will be our design. Amazing. If I mistype something, I'm sorry. So our problem was when we selected those two little funky things, we're gonna group them. So now this is the design. Now if we go to the export persona, and I'm gonna also show you how you can export in Affinity Design. If you are going in this persona, let's delete this one. This one needs to be deleted, and let's go to this persona. So we're gonna select like this, and we're gonna put it in the middle like this. Okay, so we selected the zone that we want to save. Yeah, you can see here that this is slice 1 PNG. We don't want PNG, we want a SVG file, so it will be SVG. Yeah, and we're gonna use a preset like SVG for export. Yeah, now to save this, to actually save it, we just press this little button, and then it will be asking us, where do you want to save it? So we want to save it here in the IE and tooth, and will be slice 1. Now let's go to Cricut Design Space and go in our folder in tooth and upload our slice to see what happens. Nothing happens. Cricut does not accept this file because they don't know how to read it. I don't know, but it's annoying. So I'm gonna show you how you can upload this. First, go back to your design, and then select your slice. You will see here in slices, and then go to quality. I like quality to be 100, and then export text as curves. Check this little thing, and then you press again this little button that exports all formats of this file. So we're gonna call it slice 1 tooth. yeah, tooth. This channel will be only with tooth. So we are going back. We open the folder. Sorry for my English, but English is not my native language, so yeah, that's my excuse. So we drag and drop our file, and ta-da, ladies and gentlemen, this will be our text tooth. So I'm gonna show you that this is working, and you will have individual files. I'm gonna, oh Jesus, how big is this? I'm gonna scale it down and show you that you can also keep only the rectangle if you had a design, and you can put only tooth because tooth is life and life is tooth. And yeah, now your text and your design are showing up in the same time. I don't know why Cricut is not able to open text as default. I don't know if it's a problem that I created, but I will still put this tutorial to show the people how you can export. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. And I will see you in the next tutorial, and that will be how to import and export from Inkscape.